Select Rectangle tool and draw a rectangle of size 285.75 by 285.75 mm. Fill white color to this object. Select Ellipse tool and draw an ellipse. Select both and press C to align centers vertically. Select this ellipse. Click on Contour, Contour outside. One step, about 89 millimeters offset. Draw a rectangle of width 5.0 millimeters. Place it on an ellipse as shown here. Create a copy of this rectangle and place it on opposite side. Create copies in between using Blend tool. Enter the number of steps, too. Select this group, hold Shift and select Outer Rectangle and press C. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete these objects. Break this contour group. Select an outer ellipse, contour, contour outside. One step, 5 millimeters offset. Break contour group. Select an outer ellipse, hold Ctrl, and rotate from bottom to top. Press right-click to create a copy. Bring it little down and fill color using Smart Fill tool. Delete all these circles. Place the text. Press Shift page up to bring it on front. Select both and press C, center alignment. Now power clip these images inside those objects. Right-click on Image, power clip inside. Click on Object to power clip. Control-click on Object to edit power clip content. Adjust image size and control. Click outside to close power clip window. Place the text. Draw a rectangle. Select Shape tool, click on rounded corner and drag the corners. Fill color using interactive fill tool. Copy-paste same color. Drag and drop with a right click. Click on option Copy Fill here. Select text, hold Shift and select rectangle. Press E and C to align center horizontally and vertically. Change text color. Draw a line using freehand tool. Select all, except the line and remove outline. Select all and group.